How to add ETH to Coinbase wallet. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add Ethereum to your Coinbase wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow along easily. First, note that the Ethereum network is already added to your Coinbase wallet by default. This means you can interact with the network as it is, already integrated into the Coinbase wallet. To get started, click on the Receive icon. You will see your Ethereum wallet. Here, you can look for your QR code or copy your address. If you click on the QR code, you will see a design that represents the Ethereum network. Alternatively, you can just copy the Ethereum address. You can use this address for receiving tokens and NFTs on Ethereum-based networks like Polygon, Avalanche, and Arbitrum. Transactions may take a few minutes to complete. You can also learn more about the ERC tokens compatible with the Ethereum network and more. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.